In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this nature image by using Blender and Stable Diffusion. This was the final scene in Blender. I have used Eevee with bloom turned off. The resolution is 512 by 512, and I have not used the composite nodes. The meshes were created by using Blender's rock generator. If you don't see that menu item, please activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I'll create an asteroid, duplicate it, scale it, and rotate it like this. The idea is to apply different colors to the meshes, and let Stable Diffusion to draw separate things based on the differences. I'll use the original render image that I have created to generate a new art. I'll post a link to the image, and the full prompt that was used to generate the images. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.